Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upload PDF files to your WordPress posts. So you want to go to your posts and go ahead and to all posts. So I don't have the created one, so I'm just going to use this one and click edit. Now you can of course do this to any of your posts, and now you want to click the plus sign. And you want to search right here for file, this one. And now you can actually upload a file or take it from media library, but basically just click upload and upload your video file from your computer. Now you will see this option that you can edit the name of it. So let's write down PDF file. And now there is a download button. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.